One of the advocates of Meghalaya, Erwin Sutnga, who was with different political parties, today joined the Congress. He was warmly welcomed by the working president of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Pinsngan NCM, in the presence of the president of Ribhoi District Congress, Charles Marngar, and others. Erwin Sutnga was one of the active members of Congress a few years back.
Perkat bah ngalap siang perkat bah iki imdai bah ngasu siam ya kani karai deka bah sule klem de perkat ngalawan ya keleng saulong kari ngatrai pilai I bah sadu sitai se block 1 block 2 ro ngilai ya man kani ban study ka problem ngalawan ya habun nadu Ribhoi nadu West Giant Hills Shagaru Hills tengah klem lai hari ngalap ko wei kalong bah nakal yang pai ba kadon ka jings ngau diau ka deep sense of frustration of the common people. Nomor belai, the rich are growing richer, beruspa nang beruspa, ubaduk unang duk. Haki ars nem ke bengiyo ngi bagi syak dan shop akan iklam. Ki ars nem ki bagi bayit baton ki jongi, our beloved ones have died. Have suffered. We also have suffered due to the pandemic. Para arkami jonga udah berdengkong banyak akan disnem kepala ada haunai me his anniversary ka jingdap snem kujongu kan dei hakatwai tarik kunai me. Ka wanra hangai ka jing ka besar kai phan mar blai ngai I ya ka ka bajia ka yeng ka jonga ba ngai iru ya ka nika ka jingdu jingkermen joki long yeng long sem kham tamba kalat kamai kaji kalat yo kam yo jam kalat ban say ka jingkermen the chance for hope to come again in the midst of this pandemic is something which is very very problematic. Kawai ngalak ban ongi piba ngaladu ya ka jingkermen ya ka MDA government
gibabun ka pausay kadar ba ka NPP led coalition government ka feel ka babun gibenta bar ka monra ka jinghon ang paiba na tadaw ngai skam ba next time ki sadon sa kiwipat kirurang ba kipan wan bat ka party congress ka jongi kipan very active ha ka party politics ngamong ka electoral politics ha ka party politics kapan ai jingmot yangi ha ka babun gibenta la ka long ha jingi ka revenue resources la ka tourism resources pergiwai la ka long ha ka power sector pergiwai binit kibri kumba alwin kiban contribute yang iya ka sangga jongi